Hi guys, welcome to Geek Haven's YouTube channel and welcome to the Geek Haven podcast. I think that is what it's called. Episode 3 is today, and today I have with me Ali, who's returning over here. Hopefully with no more hot takes because of what we're about to talk about. Usman's back
We'll see
again.
about that.
And and Shazim's also back. We don't have OS and Yasser this time because I think it was the odd time we got rid of them from the podcast.
Alhamdulillah.
So yeah. Today's episode is going to be a bit of a downer, but also something that I feel like we really needed to talk about. It's been like 2 to 3 weeks now since Akira Toriyama passed away, sadly. For those of you that somehow don't know, Akira Toriyama is most well known as the creator of Dragon Ball Z and a lot of other things, and we're going to get to that, but that is the one thing that he's most well known for. And everyone's been paying their tributes. We've seen Mexico pay their tribute. We've seen football teams pay their tribute. We've seen a lot of other mangakas like Kishimoto and Oda pay their tributes. And it's all been just one very heartwarming sight to see the entire community come together to actually pay their respects for someone who had such a huge impact. So based on that, I think it was very appropriate that we sat down and actually talked about his legacy, what he worked on, and how much it meant to us. Because I feel like we're all 90s kids, right?
2000.
So yeah,
2001,
still counts.
2000,
Still counts. Early 2000s and 90s kids. I feel like उस generation के जितने भी सारे बच्चे हैं, they all got into anime because of Dragon Ball Z.
Definitely.
And I feel like there's a story to be told there.
Oh.
So I just wanted to keep that in mind. So
You know, it's really funny because you said Akira Toriyama mainly known for Dragon Ball Z, and then you said, and then there's also other stuff because I know you want to talk about Chrono Trigger.
two things actually, not just Chrono Trigger.
Dragon Quest, Chrono Trigger.
I wanted to talk about Chrono Trigger, obviously. I also wanted to talk about Dr. Slump today. I think that is the one thing that goes so under the radar because it's a manga that came out in 1970 or something.
Really old.
I already
Yeah.
found out about it. बीच में एक random collab episode था or something with the Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball or Dr. Slump.
Yeah. उसमें क्या अरियाला ने क्या नाम होता लड़की का?
Arail.
ऐसा एक कुछ
Something like that. The
Arale,
Meg Good. The
Adiala.
Meg Good. The Meg Good.
वही तो वो उसका collaboration था. I was like अबे ये क्या है? Then I found out कि that's also a
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
इस वजह से Dragon Ball नहीं लिखा है.
Yeah, exactly.
Chrono Trigger भी आया है and all that.
A lot of things, to be very honest. So, I think appropriately, and since most people will tune out after the first 10 minutes, I think it's very appropriate that we start with Dragon Balls.
Yeah.
Dragon Balls.
Dragon Balls.
This is supposed to be
There are
in
multiple,
memory of
right?
it, man.
There are multiple
Dragon
Dragon
Balls.
Balls.
रोजे में तो कोई
Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball Z, all the good stuff.
Yeah.
No super?
No
He
super.
said good stuff.
Super.
Wait a second. He's not super.
He's not super. I don't think
I
he
think-
was involved
I-
in super.
No super.
I don't think he was.
Usman, was he involved in
He
super?
did make the art and he was involved
Story
Like,
बोल रहा है।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या बोल रहा होगा?
Story में he was
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आगे क्या बोल रहा होगा? हाँ, गोकू यू करेगा, कर लेगा गोकू.
हाँ कर लेगा गुगु.
बाल का कलर राइट सही है.
खैर, हाँ चले जा तू अपने tangent पे बोल ले.
बोलो.
नहीं सही है आगे बढ़ते हैं
I think okay, so I've been thinking about this for all of today. मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या बोलूँ क्या, right? Because what do you have to say about
Also, for context, today is the 18th Ramadan.
18th or Rosa?
I don't know when this is going to go out, लेकिन for context हम लोग ये तब shoot कर रहे हैं, तो even if it goes out very late, just know हमने appropriate time पे shoot किया था.
Yeah, yes.
अब अगर वो post 4 महीने बाद हो,
29 March. For
What
those
can
who
you do?
Don't follow the Islamic calendar.
Who doesn't follow the Islamic calendar, man?
खैर हाँ, you were
Fair.
saying.
I've been thinking the whole day about what I would say, and I was thinking about his contributions, right? And Naruto and Dragon Ball Z, if you see, it's almost like if you think about character dynamics, yes, sir, it's pretty there, right?
maybe Naruto Sasuke is Goku and Vegeta
Exactly, right?
I mean-
even down to the color scheme. It's for real.
Yeah, white and blue.
And
Orange.
ultimately दोनों के main villains turned out to be aliens.
Oh man. And Goku was partly alien, and so was Naruto. He had the Jinchuriki.
Always the chosen one.
No, but I mean it like this, right? Because when you're young and you're watching Toonami, right? तो आपके पास cartoon आ रहे होते हैं, and then you see Dragon Ball, which was very very different, right? And I'm thinking कि किस तरीके से different था, right? And then I realized it's because of how much they were willing to give their story a sense of realism, right? compared to cartoons. Yeah, no, I'm being so for real. Because if you think about like Vegeta, who is a side character in cartoons, you wouldn't see a side character being given that much work. Like he's almost just as good as like the
I
way,
wouldn't say Vegeta is a sad character though.
right? Because
not a side character.
I've always felt like this. I always liked Vegeta more than Goku.
Would you call Sasuke
Cough
a sad
more into the
character?
mic, Taj.
Would you say Sasuke is a
नहीं
sad
लेकिन सास के
character?
बाद में आया ना
Yeah.
Dragon Ball Z से पहले
हाँ ये भी है.
Like I genuinely believe this. I think I like Vegeta more than I like Goku. And like
that's
he had
that's
really,
a talking point for a lot of people. वैसे कि they like Vegeta more.
yeah, because Goku is
dumb
Yeah.
Oye, put
Goku is
respect
a-
on my man.
He's a flawed man.
How is he a flawed man? सही है, Cell उसके बच्चे को फोड़ रहा है and he's standing there and
Senzu
smiling.
bean खिला दी थी उसने.
सही है, Cell मरने वाला था और उसको
Senzu
सेंजू बीन फेंक दी. सही है, समझ सकता हूँ मैं, लेकिन क्या चीता बनता था?
अबे यूं करता उसके बाद
मेरे
बोलने में
भाई
जाते थे.
क्या चीता बनता था? Name one person from anime that has like stood at one place for like 20 episodes. One place. खड़ा हुआ है बस.
how long was Goku in Freeza also
I think
Very
it was
long.
like,
I just said that one.
मुझे इतना याद है मैं
9 episodes से ज्यादा थे. 9
मैं
episodes
पाकिस्तान-
too less.
It felt like an eternity.
मैं
It
पा-
felt like
एक
One
point
Piece
It
word.
felt like one.
One Piece पे आगे निकल जाते हैं.
The fight was as long as how One Piece feels.
मुझे याद है मैं यहाँ आके लाइक ड्रैगन बॉल देखता था ना. टूर्नामी सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में आता था. लाइक मैं
Yeah.
यूएई में था, यूएई में टूर्नामी नहीं था. सो माय मेन एक्सपोजर टू ड्रैगन बॉल वाज टूर्नामी. तो मुझे याद है लगातार लाइक फॉर 3 समर वेकेशंस
You were just seeing.
I just saw him like gathering energy for like 3 summers,
Lend
man.
me your
नहीं,
strength.
जब भी आता वही चल रहा है यार साला.
नहीं.
प्लैनेट नामिक पे
उसमें-
वो एनर्जी नहीं जा रहा है.
उसमें आधा मसला ये था कि इनको राइट्स नहीं मिलते थे
And
जो
उससे
भी
आधा
मसली
मसला ये भी था कि वो
बात
लोग
है.
से मिलते थे?
मैं बात कर रहा
बेसिकली
हूँ.
व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन के एक आर्क से लेके एक सर्टेन आर्क तक वो बार
Loop
बार
पे चलता रहता था,
एंड देन बाद में उनको उसके राइट्स मिलते थे
हाँ,
then उसके बाद से वो कंटिन्यू
देखो,
अच्छा,
but छोटा
yeah.
छोटा अली को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता था
तो-
राइट से या नहीं है. मुझे तो ये भाई मार दे यार अपने at this point.
कब से खड़ा हुआ है?
क्या हो रहा है ये?
No, like anyways. So I
6
was
क्लास में
thinking-
आ गए, 3rd क्लास से स्टार्ट हुआ था.
like I think me and you were talking about this Taj before ke
अभी भी वन पीस देखता है
भाई,
Astro
One Piece में बहुत very
Osamu Tezuka, right? We were like crediting him as like, oh, anime ka, oh, right? And then but like someone who would like really revolutionized it was Akira Toriyama, right? Because
Basically, if you were to say Astro Boy is what started anime, which it did. It
Yeah.
definitely did. Astro Boy popular हुआ.
Yeah.
तो जाके anime became a thing. Studios started. People really started jumping on the shonen jump वाली train. वो
Yeah.
सारी चीजें शुरू हुई.
Yeah,
Great. But anime becoming so
पॉपुलराइज्ड
popularized and spread across the entire globe, not just a Japan thing.
yeah,
That is 100% down to Dragon Ball Z.
100%.
Solo job Dragon Ball Z का है वो. It has no other anime has done what Dragon Ball Z has done.
I
Yeah.
feel
You
like
can
the plot itself it's like very like universal in the sense that but it's just about men fighting
yeah,
and it appeals to every boy ever.
it's not just that in my opinion.
Listen, I am a monkey. I like watching things fight.
Exactly.
And guess what? Goku is also a monkey.
Yeah.
Who likes fighting. So yeah.
I don't think it's just that. I think हमारे लिए it appeals from that point of view क्योंकि हम लोग उस टाइम पे बच्चे थे. लेकिन
Yeah.
I genuinely think Dragon Ball Z is for all ages.
100%.
Like उस time पे if I was, let's say anime wasn't a thing and I'm at that time 20 years old.
Mm.
I was saying it really appeals to every age group, and even if I was like 20 at that time, I hadn't seen any anime. I know for a fact that brain rot me would go to the telly and go like, this is really cool.
Definitely, actually, you know, how I saw all of Dragon Ball Z. It was actually my cousin. So yeah, I was like around, I would say 10 at the time, right? And my cousin who was around like in his 20s, he's older than my brother, so like yeah, 20s or late teens, right? He sat, you know, and he like made me watch all of Dragon Ball Z. मैं उनके साथ बैठ के मैं देखता था अपने लैपटॉप पे पूरा डाउनलोड करके लेके आते थे. नानी के घर पे रुका हुआ था मैं पूरा बैठ के देखा था. पूरी समर वेकेशन में यूं ही निकलती थी. He's the reason like I got into anime. So it definitely does like तो जो बात है कि it appeals to every age. Because literally a 10-year-old is sitting with a 18 or 20-year-old and they're watching one thing and then both enjoying it. थोड़े को मजा आ रहा है. तो मुझे खाने क्या चीज़ है यार वो.
Basically.
Insane है यार.
It's probably वो primal side हमारा जो एक होता है, it probably
Yeah.
appeals to that. I don't know. लेकिन जो भी है appeal करता है.
Yeah,
definitely.
And like it's like so much of the formula that anime follows now was made by
Yeah,
Dragon Ball Z.
definitely,
Right?
100%.
Almost hell yeah, man. That's every time I say a right opinion, like the will.
Modern shonen would not exist if it wasn't for Dragon Ball Z.
So true.
Like Naruto का जो पूरा formula है, like a protagonist that's like I'm gonna do it, मैं कर लेगा,
मैं कर
give
लेगा.
up दाते भाई हो. That's literally coming from Goku.
Yeah.
उस बंदे के सामने you put all the hardships in the world, लेकिन he literally
Yeah.
never budged, right?
Yeah.
Having a tsundere best friend,
Yeah.
basically, who's also your rival.
He's also a rival.
हाँ.
There's your Vegeta Sasuke वाला template.
बिल्कुल.
Like
एक बात बताओ, where did Sakura come in? There was no Sakura in DBZ.
Technically, Bulma.
Hey, Bulma was so
was not
useful.
Sakura.
Bulma.
क्या हो गया भाई? Bulma was so useful.
क्या
Come
कह
on.
रहे हैं?
Bulma was very useful.
Bulma was not
But
Sakura.
listen,
Bulma-
also
Bulma का
listen.
देखो देखो देखो.
Bulma का
Sakura
बगैर-
is also
नहीं,
useful.
देखो,
So, yeah.
Bulma का बगैर Goku would die of heart disease.
देखो
Bulma was
And
not-
so would Naruto.
Bulma was not a
इसमें
main character लेकिन.
इसमें बस एक कहने की बात है, they copied a template, उसमें वो खुद भी अपना कुछ डालेंगे
हाँ,
यार.
obviously.
थोड़ी सांस लो यार.
Also.
लेकिन सही
यार
बताना
एक second, now that I think about it.
Bulma was the main character. वो Dragon
एक
Ball
second,
से-
एक second, एक second, एक second, एक second. Vegeta came from a race of people who had died, like all died, right?
Yeah, like they- they
Uchiha
died
clan.
annihilated.
Holy shit, like it's like really,
तो
really.
उसके बाद नारुतो भी उचिहा निकला फिर तो.
नहीं,
ये
नहीं
गोकू भी
ना,
fail-
यार, come on man, what's wrong with that?
This conversation is just derailed.
Yeah, but
नहीं, I get what you mean.
but like I'm saying,
Parallels
there was
है.
a lot of the formula that.
हाँ,
हाँ,
right?
parallels बहुत
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
I think कि वो एक सेकंड फिर क्या पिकोलो क्या ओरोचिमारू था कह रहे हैं
Piccolo, एक second नहीं.
वैसे हाँ, a question I really wanted to ask, a question I really wanted to ask you guys.
I
A
love
core
Piccolo.
memory that you have watching Dragon Ball.
Oh.
Or
मेरे
Dragon
तो
Ball
बहुत-
Z.
बहुत
Mr.
easy
Popo.
है.
Oh,
I think
man.
कोई
Me asking him about a core memory, man just straight up goes like Mr.
Mr.
Popo.
Popo.
क्या बंदा है तू?
character.
Have you guys watched Dragon Ball Abridged?
हाँ
Oh,
यार.
we get, हाँ, we, you know what? I
Highly
don't think,
recommended. Everybody go watch it.
Mr. Popo के actually dialogues होते थे.
हाँ भाई, Mr.
Mr.
Popo ने completely
he
creepy.
used to go like Mr. Popo.
अबे,
Did he? Did
Huh?
he?
I don't
No,
remember
no,
that.
like abridged में, no?
Abridged में.
Abridged में तो वो बहुत कुछ बोलता था. I'm gonna whip you. भाई क्या क्या
हाँ,
बोलता था भाई वो?
Abridged में he was basically unhinged.
Completely,
yeah.
man. He was.
Makes
What does
sense.
abridged mean? Khair, anyways.
Favorite memory
yeah.
associated with Dragon Ball Z.
यार मेरा तो ये था कि I loved, okay, so when you're a child, Pakistani child watching anime, even Beyblade this counts for, आपके सारे family members आगे, नहीं, not family members, but भाई, cousin, whatever, they always used to go like, मैं ये वाला character हूँ, right? Right?
I have such a stupid thing to say about this.
मैं,
Carry on.
मैं Beyblade में Max था, by the way. सही है, which is
Same,
a
same,
controversial
same,
choice.
same.
सही है.
मैं
Anyways,
तो काहे था.
तो every मैं काय था यार Black Bronzer के टाइम पे. Okay, anyways, नहीं, I was in Dragon Ball Z, I was Gohan, right? So when in the Cell saga, in the Cell saga, he was like क्या बोलते हैं, he was the first person to go Super
In
Saiyan,
wrestling,
right?
in wrestling terms, Gohan was finally getting pushed, yaar.
Yeah, he was finally getting pushed, right?
Keep
And
wrestling out of this podcast.
Sorry.
now.
when he went SS2, right? Also, you'd be
SSJ2.
surprised. SSJ, nahi, SS2, right?
SSJ2, Super Saiyan.
SSJ2. Sorry, yaar.
Fake fan.
Anyways, I was also saying wrestling takes a lot from Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah. It does. Khair.
Can anyways, so when he was the first person to go SSJ2, sorry, I was like, oh, और मेरे क्या मुझे मिल रहे हैं मुझे, and then when he was like, come here, and then उसका Cell को he was the person to beat. I was like, oh my god,
ये तो मैं हूँ. ये तो
Can we
मैं
talk
हूँ,
about
guys.
that Kamehameha though, like that one-handed Kamehameha, like
Bro.
Gohan आता है साला एक हाथ चल नहीं रहा, बोल क्या सीन था यार वो.
Cell Saga.
भी आती है लेकिन उसके अंदर.
हाँ यार,
Cell
अब
Saga-
अगर आगे उसके वापस यार.
Cell Saga greater than the Frieza saga, by the way.
I think Cell Saga peaked.
But
Cell Saga was the
OG
best saga.
Same.
OG Super Saiyan transformation has to be the best.
Yeah, obviously.
जब गोकू के बाल
अरे वो तो-
फेड टू ब्लैक हो रहे होते हैं बार-बार ना, उसको सीजर हो रहा
Yeah.
होता है.
No,
और like वो
बिजली कड़क रही है, लोग go.
उस पॉइंट तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको इतना फोर प्ले करना पड़ा था.
Yeah,
नहीं,
yeah,
आप
yeah.
भर रहे होते हो, तो आपको मिलता है ना, इट इज सो गुड.
मिलता है.
No, but that's
I
so
think मेरे
true.
लिए वैसे वो था गोहान वाला ज़्यादा बेहतर था.
क्या Gohan?
Having Super Saiyan 2.
yeah, yeah.
Bigger payoff I think.
Yeah, 100%, right?
या फिर इवन लाइक सुपर सैयन 3 या जब वो दिखता है
What?
आपको, बोलते हैं, ये क्या है?
Soundtrack लेकिन.
जो
Yeah.
बात है.
What was your favorite moment?
I think मेरा favorite moment नहीं, लेकिन मेरी core memory ये है कि बहुत random.
Yeah.
जोर से बोलो.
मैं सुबह 10 बजे एक दिन उठा, भाई ने उठाया, उसमें उठो, बोलो क्या हुआ, वो चीटो सुपर सैयन बन रहा है, और मैं उठा, मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ, और मेरी आंखें फटी हुई है और वेजिटा सुपर सैयन बन रहा है और क्योंकि वेजिटा मैं दोस्तों मैं बन रहा हूँ
मैं सुपर सैयन बन रहा हूँ।
मेरा मोमेंट आ गया नहीं
वो साला सारी जिंदगी पिटा
जो
लेकिन
बात
एक
है।
पॉइंट पे जाके उसको कुछ मिल गया फाइनली
But see, now like when he became Majin, right?
या
When I was a child, I was like, अबे ये क्यों कर रहे
वहाँ
हो?
से
लेकिन बाद में when you're like, नहीं यार बनता है, इसका भी बनता है।
यार वो जब ट्रंक्स को लाइक अपने गुद्दी में चिप्पा मारता है, ट्रंक्स को बेहोश कर देता है, मार्जिन वेजिटा लाइक फुल उसको चॉप करता है, वो पूरा जो इमोशनल सीन होता है कि मतलब बस तुम यहीं रहो, मैं जाके हैंडल कर लूंगा, लाइक
also him acknowledging Goku
इतना कूल होता है वेजिटा यार।
you guys remember
क्या?
Majin Buu वाली फाइट के दौरान he starts to acknowledge Goku
हाँ ऐसा
हाँ।
he says कि you are better
Oh.
better than me
वो बेसिकली
Right.
आफ्टर हिज मार्जिन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उसका ईगो मरने लगता है, लाइक वो रियलाइज करने लगता है,
I feel
he
like
becomes a better father, he starts becoming less of a dick.
that was
मैं
essentially
ड्रैगन बॉल जी देख रहा हूँ, मुझे कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट नहीं देखनी।
लेकिन you also have
see-
that, you also
see,
have it.
This is actually that's surprising you say that, but I actually watched Dragon Ball Z. मुझे ज़्यादा हुआ था because of Vegeta. So yeah, I was genuinely following Vegeta in Dragon Ball Z more than I was following Goku.
To be fair, Vegeta is one who had the growth and everything going on.
Yeah.
ना Goku का क्या था? Horrible father, comes in clutch, dies. Comes
Yeah.
back, still is a horrible father. Comes in clutch, dies.
Right?
Comes back, has another kid, dies.
Yeah.
Kid to Super Saiyan since birth.
Oh, you crazy? Right?
Prodigy था भाई.
Goten.
Goten.
गोटे यार
गोटे।
गोटे अबे यार
We
we
got
got
it.
it यार
बड़ा बड़ी वाली.
यार मेरा वही ना बताया था मैंने जब पहले सुपर सैयन जाता है,
हाँ।
डायलॉग्स का पे ऑफ जो था, बट देयर कोर मेमोरी से लिहाज से लाइक देयर सो मच लाइक एवरी टाइम किसी एनिमी को सेंजुबीन दे दी, लाइक सेल वाला सेंजुबीन जो होता है, द फादर सन कामेहामेहा, गोकू's इंस्टेंट ट्रांसमिशन कामेहामेहा, लाइक मूवी वाले सीन्स भी थे सही, जब गोजीटा वो मारता है स्टारबस्ट वाला कौन सा अटैक होता है,
Stardust break
स्टारडस्ट ब्रेकर या जो भी नाम होता है, वो जब
मुझे नहीं
उसको
आता, एक
मारता
बात
है,
पहले देखा था।
जनेम्बा को मारता है, वो
हाँ।
इतना बैडनेस है, लाइक सुपर सैयन 3 इतना बैडनेस लगा था मुझे, सो मेनी सीन्स,
पुई पुई.
पुई
ये क्या देख रहा था
पुई पुई
नहीं
बेसिकली देयर इज अ सीक्वेंस जब वो डबोरा नाम होता है उसका, आई थिंक, जो लाल कलर का था बाबिडी के साथ
लाल वाला डब्बे
तो वो किसी रैंडम जगह पे लड़ रहे होते हैं, तो एक छोटा हेंचमैन टाइप होता है, पुई पुई नाम होता है
उसके लाइक वो
तो पुई
एलियन
पुई
वाला उसका होता है ना,
पुई इज
पूरा
लाइक
design।
लाइक वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि ही विल बीट वेजिटा, वो बोलता है 10x ग्रेविटी है यहाँ पे, एंड देन वेजिटा स्टार्ट्स डांसिंग, लाइक इसका फुटवर्क शुरू होता है
Oh, that one clip of
100x
Vegeta
बोलते हैं ना, कुछ
dancing.
Yes.
That's where it comes
It's
from.
not basically dancing, like
I get it. Yeah.
no
ये मुझे फर्क नहीं
also
पड़ता, मैं 100x पे ट्रेन करता इसलिए लगा
I
रहा हूँ।
also love that one. Like, okay, listen, Dragon Ball, I think, was some of the funniest shit you could see in like shonen anime. It has say because like yeah, there's a
so
full,
perverted.
sure, but like also there was also like there are full
just remember
compilations. There are full compilations on YouTube where like one character will throw a rock at another character.
Bro,
And like
I found-
okay, also shit like iconic shit like क्या बोलते हैं Vegeta wearing a pink shirt.
Oh,
Right?
he was dripped out.
Yeah.
He was stripped out.
My favorite moments in Dragon Ball Z in particular were always the humorous ones. To be very honest. क्या नाम था मिस्टर क्या?
Popo.
नहीं. Hercules Satan.
अबे यार Mr.
Anything with him,
Mr.
I
Satan।
laughed my ass off, bro.
यार,
It was so
उसका
funny.
वर्ल्ड मार्शल आर्ट टूर्नामेंट में जब भी कोई जी फाइटर जाता था, क्या होता था?
क्या हो जाता था? आगे चुटकियां मार रहे हैं वो लोग पंचिंग
भाई
मशीन पे
literally
चुटकियां मार रहे थे.
चलते हुए पाद मार दी, सब तोड़ दिया, फिर क्या चल रहा होता था?
And my favorite moment and my core memory has always been वो गोटेंस और ट्रंक्स वाली फाइट वर्ल्ड मार्शल आर्ट टूर्नामेंट में, इसमें वो लोग अजीब हरकतें करना शुरू हो गए, सब देख रहे हैं हो क्या रहा है भाई. Like,
Bro,
it's so good.
जब छोटा बेबी गोहान होता है, बच्चा गोहान होता है और गोकू भी मरा होता है, सही है, और पिक्कोलो सोच रहे हैं मैं ट्रेन करूंगा, और पिक्कोलो कंप्लीटली अनहिंज्ड ना, उसके साथ जो भी
हाँ।
उसके साथ एक पॉइंट पे रख के उसको फेंकता है, वो
Yeah.
बड़े-
होता है, cliff
वो
से।
क्लिफ से फेंकता है, उसको मुक्के मुक्के मारा होता है, वो बेचारा माउंटेन्स के थ्रू जा रहा है, क्लिफ से थ्रू जा रहा है, तेरे डायनासोर से लड़ रहा है.
But to be fair, Piccolo is the dad that stepped up.
पिक्कोलो इज द चच्चा दैट स्टेप्ड अप,
The dad
जो
Basically,
एक चच्चा होता है, मारते हैं आपको रख रख के, वो चच्चा.
Piccolo मेरा दोस्त था when I was
मदरसे
like,
के अंकल थे.
yeah.
बट वो इतना कोई रैंडम था, लाइक वो बेचारा यू आर फीलिंग फॉर गोहान राइट, पिक्कोलो है, बोलते इधर आ तू यार, बुद्धि से पकड़ता है, ये फाट
कारी साहब.
करना
तो
पड़ेगा
गीला क्यों है? इतना तो पसीना आ रहा है। बाय द वे गाइस, पंखा बंद है, आपके रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं क्योंकि
यार
वी आर वेट।
यार जब वो नमाज की टोपी उतारता है ना अपनी
मैं बोलने वाला था जर्सी पहने
ब्रो, उसे कपड़े भी देखे,
सारी सांप बना दिया
स्कार्फ भी और सब है।
यार मैं
Ajay, one thing I really wanted to talk about related to Akira Toriyama. We already mentioned this at the start. The fact that it's not just Dragon Ball Z. Like obviously वो एक चीज सबके साथ associate हुई हुई है. लेकिन he did so much more.
So many bangers.
Straight up, like Dragon Quest obviously.
Dragon
You guys
Quest.
know about that.
Chrono Trigger.
Chrono Trigger. The one thing I really wanted to talk about today, Chrono Trigger. I have started doing a Chrono Trigger rerun as soon as he passed away, as like my tribute to him.
I still
in
have it on
some
my phone.
weird way.
yeah.
इतना अच्छा आर्ट स्टाइल है उस गेम का. Like have you guys seen the character designs and characters के जो sprites and everything है?
It has his unique flair. Like he has always a unique flair with all of his characters.
Exactly.
वो है उसमें problem.
Like, for those of you that don't know, he did the character designs for Chrono Trigger, and if you look at Chrono, you literally go like, oh ये तो Goku है.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Because
make the
that was
connection
his
yourself.
that was his art style, to be fair.
Like the heavy eyebrows and all of that.
And मेरे लिए ना it's always been कि whenever I play Chrono Trigger, it's in the association कि हाँ मैं Akira Toriyama का Dragon Ball Z का कोई
Yeah.
weird disjointed सा game खेल रहा हूँ, and it just feels weird कि the man's now dead.
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
अच्छा, my exposure to Chrono Trigger was
भाई मुझे नहीं पता था यार.
my exposure to Chrono Trigger was that same cousin who introduced me to Dragon Ball Z.
मेरे ख्याल से तुमको
कौन था
अपनी जिंदगी दे देनी चाहिए.
मैं देख चुका हूँ, वो उसामा भाई यार.
हाँ,
He was
हाँ,
very
उसामा भाई.
Shout out to Usama भाई, greatest man ever. Oh, all of my personality to him.
My brother got me into Chrono Trigger.
All I'm saying is कि like so much of it like पता है मैं अपने भाई से like मेरी इतनी लड़ाई होती थी लेकिन जैसे ड्रैगन बॉल होता था हम लोग
हेरिटेज हुई है तो फिर लाइक प्रॉपर हेरिटेज है हमारी. For one
तो सुपर
generation,
सेन बन गया. दो भाई बैठ के
फ्रीजा आ गया.
यू दो भाई यू देख रहे हैं ड्रैगन बॉल.
ड्रैगन बॉल आया करता लेकिन
फ्रीजा आ गया. बोला मैं सबको मार डालूंगा. मुझे नहीं लगता ये मार सकता है. मार दिया. कुछ करेगा मेरा बॉय, कुछ करेगा. कर रहा है. सुपर सेन बन गया.
वो क्रिलिन को फाड़ दिया था उसने
अबे किस किस ने हाथ ऊपर किए थे स्प्लिट
I remember this
मैंने
one
किए थे
joke.
तुमने हाथ ऊपर किए थे
हाँ,
स्प्रेड बॉल के टाइम पे.
Definitely.
ले
लिया मैं.
I remember
मेरे
this one
मेरे
bit.
बगल की ने.
I remember this one bit where मेरा छोटा भाई goes right कि सबके बाल हैं. Everyone goes super sane और उनके बालों का रंग चेंज हो जाता है. क्रिलिन का क्या होगा?
नापा.
मैं तो क्रिलिन का सोचता था भाई.
मैं नापा को सोचा क्योंकि यार मूंछी थी सिर्फ.
At that time मेरे छोटे भाई को ये कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता था कि सेयंस कौन कौन है. वो सोचता था क्रिलिन भी पावर अप कर
Krillin भी
सकता
power
है.
up
बाद में
होगी.
Krillin did grow some banger hair. Like
नहीं.
he had like mid parting.
Ah, he did. भाई, to be fair, the real winner
Krillin
in
के बाल उग जाते हैं.
हाँ.
After he has क्या
the real winner
क्या
in
नाम
Dragon
था
Ball
उसका?
Z was Krillin. If you're being very honest,
Hmm?
the real winner in Dragon Ball Z is
Oh,
Krillin.
Android
Oh, definitely, my man.
Android 18, man.
My
Come
man.
on.
Definitely.
Come on.
Great tribute video, guys.
And,
नहीं, so-
one more thing. Sorry,
हाँ.
I went on the Dragon Ball Z tangent again. We were talking about the fact that Chrono Trigger में very similar art style to Goku
Yeah.
and blah blah blah. I think that's one more testament to Akira Toriyama.
Unreal. That's
Like-
what I was gonna talk about.
It's not like he couldn't make complex stuff. Go read any of his mangas, you'll see that he's actually a really talented artist. I think it's very, very. I don't even have the words to describe this, to be very honest. लेकिन वही होता है ना कि you somehow develop a style that is so simple for someone else to replicate.
I'll tell you the exact words for it. His character designs were dripped out. It's like, I shit you not. Have me like when Trunks was introduced.
Yeah.
सही है future
Oh,
Trunks जब आया था.
no,
We were all like, oh.
My man,
yeah.
my
The
man
drip.
went hard. My man
Immaculate
went hard.
drip.
My man
He
went
came
hard.
from the apocalypse, but man had drip.
Immaculate drip वो अपने purple jacket में खड़ा है यूं करके. We're like, oh ये कौन है? और
Yeah.
गोकू का भी
और फिर
He
जब
abandoned
कुछ समझ
the-
नहीं आया तो तलवार भी निकल गई.
जुबान है. right?
वहाँ तो
और फिर वो
तलवार.
ट्रेन होके आता है और फिर उसके बाल लंबे जाते हैं
No.
Dude, he's so cool. Future Trunks was the coolest guy ever.
I
right?
hate these horrible tangents.
Like,
No, this is so for real. Character design के बारे में
बंदा
बात कर रहा हूँ.
literally मरते हुए गोहान को छोड़ते हुए आया था, but dripped out है bro.
No,
मर गया था कौन है
हाँ, मरता हुआ.
मरने के बाद है.
like future Gohan.
हाँ like मरने के बाद
Yeah.
Yeah, I meant the part ke, you know how people have art styles and it's very difficult for people to recreate
Yeah.
that art style.
Yeah.
it's too
I
unique.
feel like, कौन?
It's too unique.
हाँ, I feel like Akira Toriyama just straight up went like कि मैं एक ऐसा style बनाएगा जो सब बना सकते हैं, and I don't mind it because एक point पे आके it's just going to become an identity,
Yeah.
and everyone's going to associate my art style with something that I did.
Yeah.
In this case, it was Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah.
I think that's just insane. कि that's the format of. How do I even describe it?
I think-
Very sharp chins, इतनी
Yeah.
बड़ी आंखें, इतने बड़े बाल. It
No,
just
yeah.
somehow just did it.
I would just
No,
say hyper
yeah,
masculine faces.
Basically,
Yeah.
the really
I think
jacked
that-
out
that-
हर muscle का भी muscle.
I think
It's
like
also so much fun to draw.
exactly.
Eyebrows
exactly.
साले इतने बाहर आए
Right,
थे पूरी
it-
like
clips
it's
बने हुए हैं.
I think his best thing was like his drawing of proportions. सही है? Essentially how small one limb would be and how big one would be, right? कि उसकी like माथे उसके कितने बड़े होते हैं.
जो बात.
Right? How we were like यार ये तो भाई बंदा है.
Bro, the head to hair ratio never makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah, yeah.
वो गाड़ियाँ नहीं होती हैं कि like आगे से हेडलाइट उठते हैं जैसे like अजीब से like अजीब सी सिमेट्री होती है वैसे like हेडलाइट उनके लगते यहाँ से उठे हुए हैं like you know like जिनके फ्लिप वाले हेडलाइट्स होते हैं.
No,
I get it, I get it.
even think about like SSJ3.
Sharp है.
It's so
Yes,
crazy. It's so
yes.
crazy to go like मैं अपने बंदे से
Bro,
eyebrows उड़ा रहा हूँ.
One of the
नहीं होता.
greatest character designs I've ever seen as a kid was Broly. क्या डिजाइन था
Broly
बंदे
है.
का भाई.
Just big
so high.
man.
मैं literally said मैं एक ऐसा डिजाइन बनाऊंगा जिसको देख के आप बोलो हाँ ये मेरी.
ब्रो मुझे
क्या
याद है
ये
बचपन में
मारने
मुझे
वाला
गुड डर लगता था बचपन में लाइक बचपन में एक्चुअली डर लगता था.
हाँ हाँ ब्रोली भाई साहब की बिल्कुल.
That's it. मैं एक बंदा हो रहा हूँ जो मेरी
Akira Toriyama tribute. Really, Broly design was great.
like this now. Can
Broly design was great. Like it served the exact purpose for which he was being drawn.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
exact purpose.
No,
It was so good.
like for real some real like Captain America shit जब वो पतला होता है और फिर उसके बाद when he grows like huge, right?
Yeah,
My
तो
God.
wait ये tangent lane future कौन है इतना टट्टी क्यों होता है
क्या? कि he just like dies.
उसका तो वो रीजन था ना कि
Black Goku.
एक पॉइंट पे
नहीं नहीं ब्लैक गोकू नहीं था सर
Cell, sorry.
नहीं,
Cell
नहीं,
वाला.
ना एंड्रॉइड्स मारता है सर
Oh हाँ,
Future
Android
Gohan की बात
yeah.
करो टट्टी
Yeah,
की बात
हाँ.
ना. अबे वो सारी
छोटा गोहान सुपर सैयन 2 जा रहा है फ्यूचर गोहान था लपेटे जा रहा है
सुपर सार द ग्रेट साइयामन वाला गोहान ना.
नहीं, future Gohan.
फ्यूचर गोहान
Trunks जिस future से आता है ना.
सॉरी.
बेसिकली उस फ्यूचर का सीन ये था ना कि एवरीबॉडी लाइक फेल एंड डाइड गोहान
But
हैड
he
टू
had the
स्टेप
potential,
ही
लेकिन-
हैड द पोटेंशियल लेकिन गोहान जो सुपर सैयन 2 जाता है जो बच्चा होता है उसके सेम एक्सपीरियंसेस नहीं होते जो उस गोहान
Basically वो वाला trajectory change हो जाती है since Trunks
I
came in.
guess.
एंड
उसको वो बेसिकली सुपर सैयन का क्या देखा ट्रॉमा
I mean
मिलता है
उसके सारे लोग मर गए और कौन सा
मेरे भाई
भाई,
एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट बहुत ही अभी
गोहान
स्टूपिड
होल्डिंग इट अलोन फॉर दैट
बहुत स्टूपिड डिस्कशन चल रही है अभी क्योंकि यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ड्रैगन बॉल जी a trope of Akira Toriyama aside from great character designs and great ooga booga shit happening another trope of Akira Toriyama is it just doesn't make sense.
That is true.
Yeah.
Just live with it.
Why are you trying to give
Ah.
Cell senzu beans,
Like,
man?
it just doesn't make
Doesn't
sense.
make sense,
You
dude.
just watch it because great
वैसे
grade A content.
like-
question like actual question सेंजू बीन की रिजेनरेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज होती है ना प्रॉपर लाइक हाथ वाथ भी उग जाते हैं एवरीथिंग
ये नहीं याद
रिजेनरेट होता है मतलब प्रॉपर
ये नहीं याद I just think it
याद
healed.
मुझे याद है क्या
लाइक कंप्लीटली हील हो जाता है
अब-
I just
Health पे
remember
आता है।
I just remember
Health
एक
पे
पॉइंट पे गोकू भाई साहब बोलते मेरी ये हड्डी भी टूटी हुई है ये हड्डी भी टूटी हुई है फिर वो संजू बीन गाते हैं अब मैं
वाह,
फिर
वाह।
मैं-
कंप्लीटली लाइक वी कैन अस्यूम कि वो पूरा रिजेनरेट कर लेगा आपको
आई गेस
सही है तो गोकू भाई का हार्ट डिजीज है 3 सेंजू बीन खा लेगा ठीक
It
हो जाना
does.
चाहिए
It does.
पूरा हील करते हैं
Thanks, Jamie.
पॉप्स और सेंजू बीन शुड बी हील्ड
आई
वो
गेस
नाश्ते में खाता होगा
उसका
लोबिया
heart disease है. गोभी का
लोबिया।
heart disease का.
लोबिया को तो ना खाता होगा सेंजू बीन यार
एंड्रॉइड वाला
Also-
Android और Arjun
also-
like,
Senzu beans look really tasty.
Yeah, they
यार
do.
जो
they
बात
do.
है बैंगल लोबिया
मीठी सी लगती है पता
हैं?
है मीठी सी लगती है
मीठी होगी.
हाँ हाँ
हाजमोला
दे
जैसी.
लुक लाइक रियली लाइक मीटी लाइक एक खाओगे लाइक पूरा मुंह भर
हाँ,
जाएगा
हाँ।
लाइक प्रॉपर लाइक
मीठी।
निवाला
भाई क्या बात कर रहा है भाई?
प्रॉपर निवाला लगता है
What are you talking about?
कोई बोल रहा है
ऐसा भाई बड़ी टेस्टी होगा. स्वादिष्ट
I
हुआ
think
करती थी.
I think enough Dragon Ball Z तुम लोग के
मुझे भूख
tangent
लग
बहुत
रही
बुरे लग रहे हैं मुझे.
बैक टू Chrono
Sorry
Trigger.
Toriyama.
No, not even Chrono Trigger. I just wanted to talk about Toriyama as a person now. He
Heard he was a
never really
banger dude.
had to make Dragon Ball Z. Did you guys know that?
क्या
He never really had to make Dragon Ball Z. Like Akira Toriyama was coming of a success of Dr. Slump. Dr. Slump did really well, like really well. He made a fortune out of that manga, itna ke he was already being called like one of the greatest to ever do it. Keeping all of that in mind, the man straight up just went like कि सही है मैंने comedy में कर लिया. Now we're just going to completely switch genres. और अब मस्ती में हम ये भी बना देंगे.
और अगर मैं अब तबाही मचा दूं
हाँ, like it's so wild to think कि the dude straight up had it all. He straight up had it all. He didn't need to do any of it.
yeah
He really didn't even need to make the manga कि नहीं मुझे अपना को sustain करना है. He had all the wealth in the world.
Yeah.
But he still decided to make it.
उससे creative juices जो flow कर रहे थे ना.
Like
He
it's just wild to think.
He
It's
cooked,
straight up
man.
wild to think कि he actually made two iconic mangas इस तरीके से.
yeah
Yeah.
Obviously हमारी generation में Dr. Slump isn't regarded उस तरीके से.
It's almost like everything he touched was gold.
Exactly, and it's just bizarre for me to think कि इस तरीके का कोई बंदा actually exist करता था.
no yeah that's
Yeah.
so
Like,
funny.
क्या
In our
सीन था?
lifetime.
Like
no,
क्या
you know,
सीन था?
it's making me real sad now that I think about it. कि like क्या बोलते हैं Kentaro Miura also went and now like
Yeah.
and then I'm thinking कि if like
At one point, Kishimoto.
Kishimoto goes
Yeah.
right because Kishimoto was like my guy right
He was like a
Kishimoto is like
Kishimoto is like a father to me.
this not that
Here's
way.
a sad fact
Wait,
of life,
wait,
guys.
wait.
Everybody
We're not
dies,
going to think
man.
about this. Like, we're not going to think about this.
It's a reality of life.
Today's Toriyama Day.
Today's story प्याज काट रहे हैं. I think that's for real.
It's the onion cutting ninja. The onion cutting ninja.
Yeah, another funny thing about Toriyama is that his first two mangas got rejected. Yeah. I was doing some research on this. I actually saw Mother's Basement ki video. So Akira Toriyama was basically never like he was into anime and manga and Japanese blah 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 everything.
Lekin Japanese.
लेकिन he wasn't into like anime and manga उस तरीके से जिस तरीके से बाकी manga का
He wasn't a weeb.
Basically, he wasn't a nerd is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Wasn't an otaku.
He was basically the type of people that were actually consuming Western media at that time as well.
Yeah.
He actually was a very big Star Wars fan. He was actually a very big Godzilla and Alien वाले franchise का fan. इस तरीके की चीजें. He was really into that stuff, and in my opinion, that actually shows in Dragon Ball Z. as well.
Yeah. Now it's making sense.
So his first work, I could be wrong about this again. I think it was basically he submitted this open for all Shonen Jump पे कोई वो था competition था where he just submitted a original comic which was nothing but banter on Star Wars.
Honestly, I would read that.
And that got rejected, but I forgot the mangaka's name, but they basically picked him up and brought him under their wing. And unke under then in Shonen Jump he basically published two mangas that went complete flops. Like complete flops. Like they did horribly.
Yeah.
Shonen Jump की जो weekly rankings आती थी,
Yeah.
उसे straight up they were bottom. So the point that I was trying to make here was that it wasn't even, you know how people like to say that certain people are just born with it. Akira Toriyama had that talent.
Yeah.
He knew what he was doing.
He wasn't born with it.
He wasn't born with it. The man picked inspirations. He tried some formulas. He tried the Western media wala formula, the humor that he's very accustomed to. Tried to sell it in Japan. It didn't work out. He went back to the drawing board, came up with new stuff, came up with Dr. Slump, worked out for him, and then kicked off.
That's like that's what like all anime fans want, right? That's what the guy
The
we
man's
look up
entire journey is an
Yes,
anime itself.
Yeah.
like
It really wasn't कि मैंने किया और हो गया. नहीं हुआ.
One Punch Man, Moomin Rider.
Basically, पता नहीं कितने ऐसे धक्के खाए होंगे, कितनी बार गिरा होगा वो बेचारा.
Guts.
The man's a living embodiment of क्या नाम है? You really have to try
Yeah,
hard to
go for it,
He
man.
is the protagonist,
Yeah.
Yeah.
basically.
And I just love the fact कि how he actually had to learn from his mistakes.
He had to be Super
Also
Saiyan
talking
eventually.
about like in the same tangent, I think like his days later on in the manga sphere as like Akira Toriyama, right? He also mentored a lot
A lot of people.
of
It's
new
crazy
talent.
how many
So,
people he's mentored.
All the big ones.
And
Yeah,
that
yeah.
speaks volumes about him as a person as well, because
Yeah.
that tells you the man is really passionate about what he does,
Manga,
and he
he loves-
wants to make people learn.
Yeah.
जिनने भी like वो अफसोस के लिए अपने लेटर्स लिखे थे
Yeah.
सारे मंगा
हाँ, you could tell how much it meant.
like
And like
उनके
I
emotions feel हो रहे थे through those
Exactly,
videos.
Yeah, exactly.
And the respect they had for
because like really like it's someone you that's what you want, like someone to hold you by the hand and take you into the world, right?
Yeah,
And like he was that mentor for a lot of people, a lot of the big greats that we love, right? And also I know ki, like abhi tak, I don't know if Kubo Tite has like released a statement, but that's what I wanted to talk about. Bleach a lot of the times is very different from Naruto and One Piece, right? However, it's still considered like part of the big three. And क्या बोलते हैं, I think I read up somewhere, but like Toriyama like really helped क्या बोलते हैं Bleach की like development and ये वो a lot, right? And I was thinking about that क्योंकि Bleach is so different from like Toriyama's वो and everything, right? And I'm like, he really just loved manga, man. Like it was so cool. It's so
The man
dedicated.
was just really into the art.
Yeah.
Even apart from that, like he was just a genuinely good person. Like
Yeah.
हम सबको पता है at this point, at this age, helping somebody, like going out of it to help somebody, that is like an extra effort you don't want to do.
It's basically something that you, even if you want to do it, you just can't.
do
Yeah.
it. You don't have the energy.
Yeah.
And giving that helping hand to so many people and
While
helping them
working on
flourish.
so many stuff,
Exactly. You have
even
your own
right
things
now,
going on.
even to this day, there's like this game called Sand something. नाम भूल जाता हूँ उसका. Sand King or something, I don't know.
I know what you're talking about. Recently, IGN
हाँ,
movie
अभी
किया.
अभी आया है. Akira Toriyama did
Did
everything
the-
in that
yeah.
game as well.
Yeah.
I mean, Super भी चल ही रहा था.
Sand क्या?
Sand King, I think.
खैर सुपर भी चल ही रहा
चल
था.
ही रहा था अभी फिलहाल.
It's just crazy.
I gave up on Super.
And I'm not getting teary because
बस
मुझे Akira
ये-
Toriyama याद आ रहा है, मुझे खांसी आ रही है.
I genuinely think कोई प्याज काट रहा है क्योंकि इफ्तारी का टाइम होने वाला है.
Yeah.
Hey, with all of that said,
Yeah.
Banger person.
banger.
Banger
Banger
person.
person.
Wait, even Super.
Greatest arc ever.
Do you
Top
guys
10.
have you guys seen वो वाली videos जो आखिरी fight होती है Super की Goku and Frieza versus Jiren?
जो यार वो हमेशा आती रहती है यार.
मेक्सिको के पूरे स्टेडियम्स भरे हुए थे उसके लिए.
Basically,
No, that's
someone
so
explain to me what's up with Mexico and Dragon
know.
Ball.
ये-
I think that's
Mexico
just like a
is anime.
testament.
Like there's just something.
That's just a
Mexico
testament
anime.
to like, I mean like even when we were watching AMVs बचपन में तब भी they were like Espanol, right?
Yes,
There was
yes.
like so much, right?
I
huge
think
Latin
हमको
community.
कराची anime and comic con Mexico में जाके आना चाहिए.
Karachi, Mexico anime and comic.
कराची anime and comic con colon Mexico.
Yeah.
Like ये जो anime culture is huge in like the Latin countries.
It is,
so-
it is.
so
One of
that's
the
what
biggest
we-
YouTubers as well, right? VTubers, right, guys? Is
Am I
Latina
right,
herself.
guys?
She's Puerto Rican.
Yeah, Mighty,
Thank you.
Mighty Mouse बोलना
बात
होता
नहीं
है.
कर रहे,
सही है,
बात नहीं
सही
कर
है.
रहे, वहाँ नहीं जा रहे.
Iron Mouse, Mighty Mouse.
वहाँ नहीं जा रहे. Thank
And
you.
नहीं जा रहे. Just say कि it's
Yeah.
a huge community.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that just speaks to the universality of like
Yeah.
his work.
Yeah, definitely.
They're all in all, I think, huge impact on the community, huge impact on everyone as a whole,
Yeah.
huge impact on individuals because I think none of us would have even be friends if it wasn't for
I mean,
Dragon Ball Z.
JJ के भी
I
काफी
wouldn't have
similar
watched
है.
That's
anime.
true.
I wouldn't have watched
That's
anime.
true.
मैं अभी इतना wholesome बात कर रहा हूँ और तुमने बैठ के JJ के mention
JJ के
किया.
कितना similar है.
Shut up.
फिर देखो,
Shut up. I
stupid
refuse.
dumb
I
shit.
refuse. I
Stupid dumb
refuse.
shit. Crazy aura.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I refuse to acknowledge this opinion. We're not going to talk about
Listen,
this.
Say the
listen,
wholesome
Taj,
thing,
Taj,
say the wholesome thing.
listen. One thing I would like
मैं
to say.
end कर रहा हूँ.
One thing I would like to say about Akira Toriyama, he was my special.
क्या बात है.
Like I was
कुछ
saying,
बोलने
he
का
was
नहीं
our
है.
special.
I refuse to talk about Jujutsu Kaisen in the same breath as Akira Toriyama. I was basically just saying that if it wasn't for Dragon Ball Z, none of us would have gotten into anime.
Yeah.
If none of us gotten into anime, none of us would have even been remotely
I would say
attracted to
yeah.
each other
I
as
would say
friends.
one
दोस्त नहीं होते फिर.
Exactly.
I
हम
would
लोग
say
straight-
one
Yeah,
sentence.
yes.
GH नहीं होता.
Exactly.
Yeah.
हम लोग से कोई भी दोस्त नहीं होता. We wouldn't have been into anime and Geek Haven wouldn't exist. So technically, we all need to thank Akira Toriyama right
Akira
now.
Toriyama के साथ ये है यहाँ पे.
Akira Toriyama made
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
He
Akira
made this.
Toriyama.
He made this.
The real founder of Geek
He was
Haven.
my special.
Geek Haven.
Geek Haven का real founder.
G Kevin, he's alone.
Haven.
Screw you, Yasir.
Yasir, get out of here.
Kaira, that was the video, guys. That was our way of a trip.
Also, I really want to show this off.
that was
बेचारा Vegito.
that. That was our way of a tribute to Akira Toriyama. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments what you guys remember most from his work, or specifically from Dragon Ball Z. And if you guys want to see us do more content like this, let us know. If you guys want to see any of them come back, let us know. I do not know why we were doing
Wait,
the Shinzo
wait,
Usagi.
wait. To end this video, for 20 seconds.
5.
20.
5 काफी है
In honor of Akira
Paanch
Toriyama
काफी है।
sensei.
I'll do the freeze frame.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Good move.
बस